Crown Workspace supports businesses with easy-to-engage with services that provide financial, social, and environmental benefits, helping meet sustainability and business objectives. Our sustainable workplace services include remanufacturing, refurbishment, and repair of office furniture, returning items to as good as new condition and remanufacturing them to meet new working requirements. The key to our success is our award-winning Renew Centre, the UK's leading facility dedicated to remanufacturing, refurbishing and repairing office furniture, and our Renew IT facility, where IT equipment is securely data wiped and reconditioned for reuse. Works we can undertake at the Renew Centre include remodelling of office desktops, desktop production, chair refurbishment, furniture respraying, specialist remanufacturing and remodelling, and cleaning and repair. All our products are remanufactured and refurbished to the highest standard and leave the Renew Centre with a warranty. We are always looking at how to keep materials in use for longer and produce a range of furniture from hard-to-recycle materials, including offcuts and the desktops we replace. Our team will help you audit your existing furniture and office equipment, setting out a roadmap for implementation of the waste hierarchy and maximising reuse. Our retail channels, office resale and IT resale, enable us to achieve the maximum return for clients on the resale of good quality redundant furniture and IT equipment, whilst enabling their reuse. Our donation initiative, the Giving Back project, ensures that items that continue to have a social value remain in use as long as possible, helping those in need and supporting local communities. We make it easy for our clients to manage redundant IT and AV equipment securely, sustainably and compliantly, enabling the safe reuse of items or responsible disposal at their end of life. Demand for our circular workplace services is increasing as more businesses commit to a target of net zero to tackle the climate emergency. Our team of experts are passionate about the work they do and how they help businesses meet sustainability goals, whether that's simply reducing environmental impacts, delivering financial and social benefits, or more specifically, moving toward a circular office or reducing carbon emissions. We provide our clients with reports outlining the carbon savings created from using our services, as well as the social value and financial savings. Contact us to arrange a tour of our Renew Centre in North London, or to speak to one of our team about how we can help with your sustainability and business goals.